Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TEUM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, if you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link, so if you go there, I will explain in detail. I did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the orange line here and green line here are coming from. First thing in regards to that orange line, got the trend line breakout today, breakout to the upside. Sure, the price pulled back a little bit, but point being that trend line was broken and destroyed. And assuming you're bullish, that's always a good sign. And then, like I said, the price did pull back, but where did it pull back to? That's the next key dynamic here that stands out. And that's also what brings about our newest area of support, which is right there at, we'll call it 41 cents. Meaning, sure, yeah, I realize that it's disappointing that the price, broke out that far and then rolled back over. But still, when you look at where the price consolidated out, went sideways, was right there. You look at the last time, as low as it went, right there. You look at the last time where you had some lows, was down there. And if you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, now very clearly you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a bounce, that's what a true turnaround is going to do. It's going to continue to show signs of progress forward. Now, of course, from a big picture point of view, there's still a whole lot of work that needs to be done. But, everything needs to start somewhere. And in this situation, starting somewhere is just slowly and methodically building those higher bases. So 41 cents is what I would definitely consider the ideal level of support. If that level can't quite hold up, the next level that, I'm not going to call it a must-hold level, but would be 37 cents. 37 cents I would consider very important now at this point, because if the price were to go down there, first off, that would imply that it's already broken through 41. But second, that would imply if it's, breaks down below that area, that all of a sudden the price is starting to go back inside of this range where it was before the breakout even occurred. And not to insult your intelligence, but when price movements go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true strength. So that's why to me, 37 cents is becoming more and more important. But as of right now, the price has done a great job staying above 41, and you definitely want to see that remain the case going forward. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, keep an eye on that purple line there, the 50-period moving average, currently valued at 48 cents, and you can see that it's well within striking distance. So while there's no such thing as a guarantee, it's at least a rational thought to have that the price very well could break and get the breakout of that 50-period moving average on Friday. So we'll have to sit back and see how this continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.